Hello and welcome to the 42nd tutorial in the Cocos2d-x JavaScript tutorial series, and in this tutorial we'll be finishing off menu with menu alignment. If you've been following the other tutorials in the menu part, you'll notice that we did a bit of menu alignment and positioning using some actual figures. They weren't magic numbers, it was using an algorithm, but the difference being there's actually some built-in functions and you may want to use them and you may not. But we're going to show you how to use them and their benefits. This tutorial seems you've done tutorial 41. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial itself. So I'm just going to go and open up the project from tutorial 41. Once it's open, you want to go to the myapp.js, and what you want to do is actually delete the set position, because we're not going to be setting the position manually like this. Even though it's using an algorithm, it still was setting the position manually. So let's get rid of that. What we're going to do, we're going to call menu.align items vertically. Sort out the formatting, and that is all you need, simply put. Just made a little error here. Need to get rid of this. There you go. Didn't need the set position because it automatically does it for you with this built-in function. But as you can see, it's aligned it vertically. What you might be able to tell if you did the other tutorial, and I'll just quickly show you in a second, is that even though this is done vertically, there's quite a big gap between the top and the bottom. You may want that. You may want a header here, and you may want some sort of other buttons down here, or some sort of other menu, some other toggles. Sometimes games do that, or some sort of slider feature. But that is, one of the issues with it. Whereas compared to how it was before, let's just go back. Let's just click play and run. It's evenly spread out every single time, whereas that they had a huge gap and they were literally just next to each other. But that is personally down to you. You may want it like that. Also, you can also do menu.align items horizontally. So horizontally, yes, it looks like I've spelled it correctly. Well, we'll find out. There you go. It's done them horizontally. I personally don't like it like this, and a lot of mobile games generally have it vertically, but again, it's your choice, and it's just a simple function call to change it. But yeah, that's menu alignment, that's the menu system wrapped up. If you have any questions, you can just pop us a message via Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or wherever, and we'll try and help. In the next tutorial, we'll be starting screens, and we'll be looking at how to create a new screen. Screen basically being this. This is a screen or a scene, and we'll be creating another one. So like if you click on a button, it'll take you to another scene. As a game has a menu screen and maybe a level select screen, a setting screen, and obviously the game screen itself, game over, game win, pause screen, all these different types of screen. So you might call it a state, whatever you call it, the games have it, and this is a core fundamental part of game development. So that's the next tutorial, which will be creating screens. Thanks for watching this tutorial.